Good morning and namaskar to the respected principals, sir, coordinators, sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. I am Anamika Rai from grade 10A1 standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic of importance of sleep in students' life. Sleep is one of the most important factors of a student's success and well-being. Just as our body needs food and water, it also needs a proper sleep to function properly. Sleep allows our brain and body to reset and prepare for the challenges of a new day. For students, sleep is especially important because it helps to improve memory, concentration, and learning ability. When we sleep, our brain processes and store the things that we learn during the day. Sleep also has a positive effects in mental health. It helps to reduce our stress and anxiety. A well-rested mind, students feel more motivated, confident, and confident. A well-rested students feel more confident and motivated. On the other hand, lack of sleep can cause less concentration, forgetfulness, and mood swing. In today's digital age, many students stay overnight using mobile phones, watching videos, and playing games. Too much screen time before bed can negatively affect our sleep quality. Health experts recommend that every teenager should get 8 to 10 hours to sleep every night. In conclusion, sleep is not a luxury but a necessity for every student. Sleep is the foundation of good health, effective learning, and successful future. Therefore, we should make a sleep priority and understand the well-rested mind is the key to achieve our goals. Thank you.